Have you opened TikTok on your iPhone only to see the message "No internet connection," even though your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working? In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the problem and get TikTok working again. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is actually working. Try opening Safari and loading a website, or open another app that uses the internet. If nothing loads, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switching to mobile data before opening TikTok again. If your internet is working, the next step is to completely close the TikTok app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, or double press the home button if your iPhone has one. Find TikTok and swipe it up to close it. Then reopen the app and see if the error has disappeared. Sometimes the problem isn't with your iPhone at all. TikTok servers occasionally experience outages. If that's the case, you'll simply need to wait until the service is restored. A quick restart can often fix temporary software issues. Turn your iPhone off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and open TikTok again. An outdated version of the app can sometimes cause connection problems. Open the App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Once it's updated, try opening the app again. If TikTok only shows the error when you're using mobile data, check that it has permission to use your cellular connection. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap TikTok, then make sure cellular data is turned on. Then try opening TikTok again. If you're using a VPN, try disconnecting from it temporarily. Some VPN connections can interfere with TikTok's ability to connect to its servers. If none of the previous steps worked, try deleting TikTok from your iPhone. Then download it again from the App Store and sign back into your account. Reinstalling the app can often fix problems caused by corrupted app files. As a final step, you can reset your iPhone's network settings. Open Settings, then General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to them afterwards. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the no internet connection error in TikTok on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow iPhone and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.